Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we explore simple strategies for earning online in 2024. 1. Sell print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand is a popular online business model that's used by both individual sellers and large online brands. It lets you customize white-label products with original designs and sell them to customers, without needing to buy or hold inventory yourself. When a customer purchases one of your items, a print-on-demand company will print your design onto the product, package the order, and ship it to the customer. Common print-on-demand products include t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and fan merch. But it's also possible to add designs to unique items if you can find the right supplier. 2. Sell digital products. Selling digital products is a great way to earn cash online with minimal ongoing effort. These products range from ebooks and templates to music samples and online courses, all deliverable via download or secure portal access. Like print-on-demand products and blogging, digital products can become part of a multi-revenue stream business. For example, you might start a food blog before collecting the recipes you shared into an ebook and selling branded merch to support its launch. 3. Become a reseller. Reselling products online is a straightforward way to earn money. This can involve anything from flipping vintage items to becoming a distributor for a well-known brand. You can also curate a selection of products from various brands to sell through your e-commerce store. 4. Try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a tried and tested way to earn online income by promoting other brands' products. As an affiliate, you earn a commission each time someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase. Effective content marketing can significantly boost the performance of your affiliate links. 5. Become an influencer. Influencer marketing is a dynamic field where you don't necessarily need a huge following to secure lucrative brand deals. From an earning perspective, being a successful influencer is all about knowing how to engage with a valuable group of potential customers. For example, brands value influencers like Amanda Lee, not just for their large followings, but for their ability to engage and influence future buyers. 6. Offer transcription services. Transcribers convert live or recorded speech into a written document. Transcription services are in high demand among professionals like journalists, doctors, and lawyers who need accurate records of their audio communications. If you're a fast typer or a person with multilingual skills, this can be a natural way to convert your abilities into online cash. 7. Create and sell handmade or custom products. You're already an expert at your craft, so why not sell your work? Making products by hand is a great way to turn a passion into a business. Hand-making goods gives you full control over product development and quality, but can be time-consuming. To attract interest, consider allowing customers to customize orders to their specifications. 8. Write and sell books or ebooks. In the same way that you can monetize your expertise with an online course or your influence as a YouTuber, you can also earn cash selling books or ebooks online. This approach suits a variety of formats and genres, from fiction and memoirs to self-help and instructional guides. 9. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a low-cost business model where products are shipped to customers directly from the vendor or manufacturer. This is a popular way for beginners to make money online, as there is no need to handle inventory or shipping. You are simply responsible for making sales and supporting customers. 10. Sell services or consultancy. While it may be most common to think of selling physical products online, you can also sell services and expertise. Consider selling a virtual service like online personal shopping, home decor consulting, or one-to-one personal training. 11. Create online courses and workshops. Online courses and workshops are another form of digital product that you can create to earn income from your expertise. Selling courses online is made easier using a course platform or via your own website. Add a digital course delivery app to your store to help you sell courses. 12. Monetize a YouTube channel. Top YouTube influencers like Cassie Ho, Will Young, and Katie Carson all started where you are, with an idea. Each of these YouTubers built audiences through authentic content before monetizing their channels. If you want to make money online by sharing your personality and unique outlook with the world, Consider starting a YouTube channel. 13. Live stream on Twitch or other platforms. While the first platform that comes to mind for live streaming may be Twitch, a popular site for gamers and other content creators, platforms like YouTube and Instagram now offer native live streaming. You can live stream everything from gameplay to recipe demos to bike tours. Hone in on a niche to build an audience around a particular interest or skill. 14. Become a social media consultant. Do you jump on every new social media platform? Have a knack for spotting trends, writing great copy, or attracting audiences? As a social media consultant, you could work with brands to brainstorm creative ideas, develop a content strategy, and produce posts. 15. Start a podcast. By the end of 2024, the number of podcast listeners worldwide is predicted to grow to more than 500 million. This popular audio format for consuming stories, comedy, news, and opinions continues to grow. If you have a great voice, love to talk, and have a particular interest or talent to share, podcasting could be a great way to make more money. 16. Sell products through online marketplaces. Online marketplaces are launch points for many now successful brands because they provide access to motivated consumers. For example, Etsy is a go-to source for buyers looking for handmade and vintage items, while Amazon is a global destination for product discovery and research. 17. Develop and sell a unique product. When you think of most direct-to-consumer brands, this is what comes to mind: original products that make meaningful improvements to well-known items. You too can develop and manufacture a unique product to sell and make money online in the process. Consider designing a prototype for a product that solves a common problem, and then finding a manufacturer to create it. 18. Become an harem host. Have an unused spare bedroom, in-law suite, or carriage house. Create a cozy guest experience and invite travelers into your home. You can make good money from your investment to help you pay your mortgage, cover expenses, or even save money for the future. Make even more money by selling products to your guests. Try using QR codes throughout your rental space to sell products seen in your home, throw pillows, or scented hand soap via affiliate links. 19. Narrate audiobooks. Love reading and have a great speaking voice? Make money online by putting your talents and interests to use by becoming an audiobook narrator. Organization, professionalism, and meeting deadlines are important to help you build a good reputation. Try finding narration work through audiobook marketplaces like ACX, Bunny Studio, or Voices. 20. Make a subscription box. A subscription business provides customers with products on a recurring basis and can be a winning strategy for making money from home. There are two types of subscription businesses: the replenishment model, where goods are delivered at intervals, and the membership model, where members get access to perks or exclusive products. Subscription boxes fit into the former category. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.